Hey, it's Robin with Sadona Farms. I have had this in my cart on Amazon for a long time. And it's been kind of an ongoing joke if we're going to get it or not get it, and we keep putting it off, but we really want one. And some of our customers that have come to the farm, we've talked to them a bit about it too, and some of our guests. And today in the mail, I go and get something out of the mailbox, which I was not expecting. But let me let you see that I have a mailbox. It is a Tube Man dancer. I know, so excited. So it came from Amazon. And I thought, well, maybe Daniel ordered me a Tube Man. I don't know. So we're going to open it up and check it out. And I apologize, I don't have my phone on the stand, but that's okay. I was excited. I can get the whole stand up and all. So we're going to just make do with what we got. So, open up the Tube Dancer. And I know everyone's going to be excited to see this out in the garden. Here's our Tube Man. And pull out all his stuff in. Tube Man, made in China. And it's just a little fan that holds him up. I love it. Here's the box. Here's the box. Alright. So, Tube Man. Look at that guy. Isn't he cute? So Tube Man. He'll fit right on top of this. And then do his dance. So, I'm going to have to get an extension cord. So, hold on. I'll be right back. I got an extension cord, ran to him, and I got him put together on here. So, let's turn him on and see what he does. There we go. Isn't he the cutest? Oh my gosh. I know you guys are jealous. You always have to have one too. So I'm going to put him out on one of my raised beds, or maybe even with tomatoes. I don't know. But hold on. We'll see that too. Isn't he the cutest? He is the most adorable air dancer I've ever seen. But whoever is the person that sent me the air dancer, I need to know. I might know, but I need to know, and I owe you a cobbler. So check out our air dancer there. I love him.